What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki Nicole. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so you will not miss a video. Comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and share it out. If you are returning, welcome back, sis. I love you. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another Nikki Nicole video. All right, guys, today I have for you a clothing subscription box. It is called DrapeFit. How many of you have heard of DrapeFit? If you have, make sure you put it in the comments. If you have not, let me tell you what DrapeFit is. DrapeFit is an online personal styling clothing service. You can have your clothes, your whole wardrobe, if you want, delivered right to your front door. All you have to do is sign up. I'm going to have the link down in the description. Answer the questions that they ask you. Tell them your style, your budget, when you would like to have a box delivered. You can have it delivered monthly or quarterly, and your style. And that's pretty much it. Sign up, send it off, and wait for your box to be delivered. Your box come in a box like this. And you get 5 pieces sent to you, and they come in wrapped up cute like this. You pick out what you want, what you like, and you send back what you don't like. And they even send a return bag. You can send it back in this. You don't even have to go out and get your own bag, you know how, and pay for shipping. They send it to you free. It is always free shipping on your boxes. It is a styling fee of $20 per box. But the thing is, if you keep all your items, it's you get 25% off the total. If you don't, you just send back what you don't like. Also, not only that, when you use this code right here, at checkout, you get $10 off. So you can't beat that, sis. You can't beat that. You get nice clothing. And if you like me, who's starting off with a fresh, whole new wardrobe, you can build your wardrobe with them. So you don't have to keep the description. You can cancel at any time. You can skip if you like. So you just have to let them know what you want to keep in about 5 days. In about a week, make sure you return what you don't want. If not, you're going to be charged for what you keep. You understand what I'm saying? So now that you know what a DrapeFit subscription box is, I'm going to show you what I received in my first DrapeFit box. If you decide to join up, click that link in my description box. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Let's see what this personal stylist sent me. Let's go, y'all.
About to catch another flight, yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite, yeah. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You can have anybody, any money, mo. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too.
Like you,
enjoyed that fashion show, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Get it circulating around YouTube streets so it can get out there. If you plan to give DrapeFit a try, let me know in the comments. Did you like the pieces? What pieces did you like out of my first DrapeFit box? If you join and you like what you have, don't forget to use this code right here at checkout and receive $10 off. Alright guys, so until next time, into the next video, into the next DrapeFit subscription box, which I did get it monthly. I don't know, I might change it to every 3 months. I don't know, we're going to see how this goes, how this works. This is my first box, so we'll see. So like I said, give it a thumbs up, comment down below which pieces you like, and y'all stay safe and stay blessed, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.